What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another brand new trade recap. So basically today tried going long right around here just after the market opened because I was pretty much bullish, bro. Let me show you what I was looking at today. So this high right here, that was my initial buy side liquidity pool that I was targeting, but somehow price didn't reach up to that and pretty much went to chop, bro. Like, look at this shit, bro. It's been chopping here almost like 4 hours, bro. So yeah, you can tell, bro, so many people got chopped today. But however, um I first went long here and got stopped out with a pretty small stop loss right here. Then again, uh, tried to go short, bro. This one right here was a bit impulsive, I would admit that, bro. But yeah, I got stopped out on that too. But as you can see, these are all like pretty small stop loss, all right. And look at this move, bro. Higher high, higher high, but it didn't even move. But whatever, I was looking at this 930 low, bro, because we had this unfilled BC right here. If you have that on your chart, I was looking at this BC right here because that was that formed when we've the New York kill zone started. All right, that formed within the New York kill zone. The first fair value gap that formed within the New York kill zone. All right, what you can say whatever, but we also had this order block here. These two consecutive down close candle. We swept lows here, but if you look at this dealing range right here, from this first high to this low, price never came down below that 50% range. All right, and look how this low was created or engineered just above this gap and also above the 50% of this dealing range right here. So that was what I was looking at, and I had a limit order just below that low, and my stop loss was below this gap right here. And as you can see, my limit order got triggered around here. And if I go on the 1 minute time frame, there you go. Just below that low, I had my limit order, and 10 minutes, I bought 10 minutes right there and added 10 more right around here because price at this point here, bro, price wasn't willing to move higher, bro. When I saw that, I was like, hell no, bro. Like, let me size up so that I can scale off if we swap these highs around here. All right, these internal highs, and if we tap into this gap, I'll probably scale off with a bigger position. And I had my stop loss was at break even. When I added this contract here, my position was right around here. I think you've probably seen that in the execution video, bro. But my stop loss was somewhere around here, just below that gap, and I pretty much scaled off. The first scale off was right above this high, then the second one was right above this high right here, this internal high, and my initial target was this gap right here because that was in premium. If price doesn't want to move higher, then we'll probably gonna reverse from that gap. That's what I had in my mind, and as you can see, we literally went down from that gap, and you could see the quadrant level of the dealing range that I just showed you, bro. Look how price reacted from it. All right, let me just take it off. And why did I use this gap to add one more? All right, we have these lows right here, we have sell side liquidity right here. If we want to continue higher and price is coming down towards something within this range here, I would first look at this gap. This gap would be my first level of interest. All right, and we had this breaker block right here as well, and as you can see, price respected that breakup block as well and went for these highs, right? And bro, um now that I'm watching this price action, bro, I'm literally like, thank god I got out. I couldn't bear this, bro. But however, the first two loss were recouped with this first partial. I took 900 bucks loss around here, and this first partial was like around 1289 bucks, and these two were like 700 and 600 bucks. So almost made around like 1600 bucks. All right. So yeah, man, market wasn't favorable today, I would say. If you got stopped out, there's nothing to be sad about it, bro. Just stick to your strategy, and we go again tomorrow. And yeah, the market is not gonna always give you something. All right, if you have your chance, take something out of the market, and if you see there's no chance to take out something, then probably skipping that day is the better choice for you. Okay, yeah, I hope this all right, I think I missed one more thing. This gap, right? Why did I use this gap? All right, now when price traded up into that gap, do you see how price traded through that again and went for these lows? All right, so if we treated that as a seller's level or a CB right there, when price invalidated that with this move right here and then again went down, and when people see this right here, they would probably think like this is probably going to be a market structure shift, because we respected this old CB and we took out this buy side right here. All right, and as you can see, I added one more here with that opposite context, which was, if we trade through this right here, look here, it traded up into that and pushed lower just to trap more sellers, and then it aggressively broke through that and went for this buy side. So that's how you have to read price, bro. You have to be logical about all your fair value gaps and order blocks, why price should not like violate or invalidate fair value gap, or why price should react off of it. These things, if you try to ask yourself and try to see on the chart, will get more clear. And I'll just leave you with that, and hopefully we'll meet tomorrow. Till then, be safe and take care of your health. And one more thing, Lucid is still 50% off. Check the link in the description, and you can, I think there, you can have two max users with my code NEXTGEN, and afterwards you'll have 40% discount. All right guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow if I trade. Till then, be safe and take care of your health, man. Bye bye.